I'm back. Today I'll be showing you guys my favorite makeup products. I feel like as I'm getting older, I'm starting to experiment more with makeup. I was watching my old videos and the way my makeup looked in those videos were not the best, but I feel like I'm starting to get better and better at makeup, so I'm gonna be showing you guys my favorite products. So let's get into it. Okay, I added a hair clip to my hair because this side was giving me a hard time. But first I'm going to start with the Fit Me Matte Poreless Powder. I've been using this powder for years and it hasn't done anything to my skin, and I have like really sensitive skin, so I have to choose wisely with what makeup I use, and this has worked really well on me. I like to add it to my skin, especially my skin is like getting like oily. I like to, you know, add it there. It works really well, and yeah. Okay, next we have the e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. I like this better than the Power Grip Primer. I like the way it feels on my skin. I feel like this is one of the best primers ever. So yeah, that's all I have to say, and yeah. Okay, next we have the Airspun Loose Face Powder. I don't know if I pronounced that right. I bought this recently and it's making my makeup look better than ever, and plus it smells like really good. Like, it smells so good, so yeah. Okay, next we have the e.l.f. Fit Me Concealer. I've been using this concealer ever since I started wearing makeup. It's super cheap and affordable and it works really well, so yeah, think about it. Okay, next we have the e.l.f. Waterproof Mascara. I love this mascara. Let me even add some more because I just like yep, and it's waterproof. Like, who doesn't like waterproof makeup? So yeah. Okay, next we have this e.l.f. eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. I'm wearing it right now, if you can see. I just love the colors. I love to mix this color and this color together. I just love it. I love e.l.f. I just love their products, and yeah. Okay, last we have this brush. I forgot where I got this from, but I'll try to find it. Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope you buy some of these products. You don't have to if you don't want to, but anyways, thanks for watching this video, and let's please get to 400 subscribers. That's my main goal. And yeah, thanks for watching and keep up for more.